Okay, the TCM ear detective. Which statement best explains why the ear is particularly important in TCM visual diagnosis?
The ear is primarily related to the kidney and kidney gene, while the organ's influence is through channel connections.
A
Yes.
petitioner states, because the ear belongs to the kidney, every abnormal ear finding must indicate kidney deficiency. What is the best wiki?
Other organs can
Other organs can influence the ear
influence
through
the
channel connection and pathological factor.
Which statement best reflects the significance of ear shape?
provide
It provides information about constitutions because the ear is created and nourished by kidney gene.
A patient has unusually small ears, but no acute ear symptoms. Which interpretation is most consistent?
Gene deficiency.
A visibly shrunken ear.
Kidney cracking.
gene deficiency
Gene
or
deficiency or gene deficiency.
Which observation would most strongly support a constitutional rather than purely acute interpretation?
ear shape and thickness.
Why can ear abnormalities not be interpreted solely through the kidney?
All young channels connect to the
Connected ear
ear either
either
directly or
directly or
indirectly.
Which statement best captures the concept that the ear can reflect systemic pathology?
The ear reflects Zamfo, Qi, blood, yin yang, and overall health.
Okay.
Wala, meron din daw siya weird dreams. Oo,
Bongga, no?
oo. Ganun pala ang ghost month. Grabe, no? The phrase, the ear that is the gathering place of all the channels, primarily emphasizes
Extensive channel relationships of the ear.
which combination is correct according to the theoretical basis.
Correct. Kidney,
The
open in two ears, heart, nourishes
Correct.
through blood, liver, nourishes ear tissues.
Which combination best represents the normal, healthy ear?
Pink,
Pink, light reddish, smooth, moderately moist, flexible, and symmetrical.
Which normal finding would be least compatible with a healthy ear?
this.
Persistent
Persistence in the nest.
A patient presents with a smooth, pinkish, symmetrical auricle without tenderness. The best general interpretation is
Adequate Qi and blood circulation.
which abnormal combination most strongly suggests an acute pathological process?
acute,
Cute. Redness,
swelling, warmth,
swelling, plus
and
warm, plus tenderness.
Which cluster is most characteristic of chronic pathology?
nodules, pigmentation, dry skin, scaling, or deformity.
A pale ear in a chronically fatigued patient.
Pale, blood, tea, or yang.
Blood P or yang deficiency.
Which finding? So if you see a pale ear, tanungin mo kaagad, pagod na pagod ka. Alam mo na yung diagnosis. Which finding would make a pale ear particularly compatible?
Chronic fatigue and pure circulation.
Bright red ears.
Right, or kidney.
Excess heat,
Heat.
Kidney
Muntik na.
na.
Muntik na.
Which combination would best reinforce a bright red ear interpretation?
inflammation pag red eh. Fever, emotional stress, acute
acute
inflammation.
A patient with a bright red ear and emotional stress.
Heart
Heart fire,
or
liver
fire.
fire.
Dark red ears.
Dark red ears,
Internal heat, blood stasis.
blood
Which
system.
has dark red auricles with chronic inflammation.
Blood stasis, internal heat may be involved.
Purple ear.
Purple, blood stasis.
Purple ears with chronic pain.
blood
Blood stasis, may
Which
stabbing pain.
combination? Purple ear findings.
Blood
Purple ear.
stasis, chi stagnation, cardiovascular,
Bluish ear.
cold,
Cold syndrome, young deficiency.
Bluish ear from bright red ear.
Poor circulation.
circulation.
Ano yun? Black ear.
Nagkaka-sleepy deficiency ka.
Black ear. Severe deficiency of
Kidney
Kidney
or
Jing and
kidney.
kidney yang.
which degenerative interpretation.
Black ear, color,
Obvious naman din siguro, no? Napakalata naman.
chronic.
Kung mukha mo ang putla-putla, tapos black yung ear, di ba?
Sakit ka na may cancer.
Hello. Which sequence correctly progresses from color to the most of, yeah.
Purpur and blood stasis.
Hot ear.
Heat syndrome.
Heat syndrome.
Hawakan niyo yung ear niyo kasi binabaha kayo. Ano?
It's cold.
Warm ako eh.
Ako,
Cold deficiency ka.
Which of the following? Kahit naman hindi nagbabaha, mukha ka namang cold.
yes.
Which of, kahit hindi tingnan yung ear. Sorry. Which of the following, o joke lang, kahit totoo.
Yan.
Which of the following is not an association of hot ear?
yeah.
Cold deficiency.
Yes.
Young deficiency.
Cold ear plus poor circulation.
Young deficiency.
Incorrect.
Cold ear, liver fire.
Okay. Cold ears during apparent cold invasion. Pumunta siya ng winter. Winter yung napakalamig.
Cold ear may be associated with cold.
O syempre naman, wala na uminit. Excessively oily ears.
Dampness or damp heat.
Dry ears.
Heat deficiency, blood deficiency, or body fluid deficiency.
Okay. Dry ear findings.
Elderly patient with signs of being and body fluid deficiency.
Tuyo na, di ba?
Tuyo.
Thick, sticky ear wax. Ay?
Damp or damp heat.
Watery ear wax.
Kidney yang.
Deficiency.
Watery wax. Why can watery wax occur in spleen or kidney yang deficiency?
Chinye is not being transported optimally and accumulates in the ear.
Yellowish sticky ear discharge.
Wind heat or liver gallbladder dam heat.
Which distinction is correct?
Wind heat is always acute. Liver gallbladder dam heat may be acute or chronic.
Clear watery ear discharge.
Spleen chi deficiency creating dampness.
Thin watery ear secretion.
Kidney deficiency.
A patient reports clear watery ear discharge, but the ear appears clean during inspection.
Best incorporate curry because patient may clean their ears before examining.
Yes, baka nilinis niya. Siyempre gusto which finding most strongly differentiates damp heat discharge from spleen deficiency related discharge.
Yellowish.
Yellowish sticky discharge versus clear watery discharge.
Localized swelling in a specific auricular region.
Potential
dysfunctions of the represent organ or body region.
Swelling in the lung area.
Respiratory.
Swelling in the kidney area.
Kidney deficiency.
Swelling of Shenmen.
Emotional disorder.
Small auricular nodules.
Chronic long-standing pathology.
Nodules.
Chronic
Nodules.
long-standing pathology fibrosis.
Yes. Auricular scar.
Previous surgery, chronic
for the
trauma, or long-standing
long-standing
energetic imbalance.
Flaking skin of the ear.
Blood
Blood
deficiency,
deficiency.
yin deficiency, and dryness.
Cracks or fissures of the ear.
Fissures, chronic
Chronic
deficiency, and pure tissue nourishment.
Large ears.
strong
Strong kidney essence and good
good
constitutional health.
Large yung ears mo, Sir Mar.
Large ear ko, Doc. Charot.
Inisip mo lang, no? Nalala ko yung ear mo. Hindi, parang ang cute. Okay. Small ear.
congenital kidney
Congenital?
deficiency or constitutional weakness.
Okay, pag nakita mo
Ako
small
small
ear,
ako.
kasakitin yan.
May
Madaling.
namana ka ba?
Sakitin.
Ma'am-treat?
Hindi ako sakitin.
Hindi
Ay,
kasakitin.
hindi ba?
Hindi
Mm-mm.
naman.
Hindi siya.
May daw buhay
Ear.
pag may ano.
Oo nga.
Yung maliit yung tenga mo, maliit yung mukha mo.
Making the most of my life kasi may clean
O, thin ear. Hawakan niyo yung ear niyo kung manipis.
Maliit,
Slightly,
malaki.
Ako,
Blood deficiency,
blood deficient.
yin
Yin deficient ako.
deficiency. Ganun para. Yin deficiency ka pala, ma'am.
Ako yun. Mm-mm.
Halata naman. No?
Yes.
Thick ears.
Robust key and strong concept.
Robert Citroco stick pala.
Okay. Strongest constitutional implication of strength.
Thick ear.
Thick
Thick
ear.
ear.
Ay, naku, gawin nating thick earlobe. Hala?
Thick earlobe. Strong kidney
Kidney
gene.
yin longevity.
Kanina yung pasyente ko, laylay na yung earlobe niyo.
Oh.
81. Mm-mm. Thin
Dapat-
earlobe.
Kidney deficiency and aging.
Yeah. Sige, hawakan mo yung earlobe niyo.
Wala pa naman, hindi pa naman siyang ganyan.
Strongest contra.
Strongest.
Contra-
Thick earlobe, strong kidney gene, thin earlobe, kidney deficiency.
Horizontal diagonal earlobe crease or Frank sign.
Frank signs.
in association with increased cardiovascular risk. That
Ay,
is
yung ano,
So,
parang merong
Like-
ano.
It doesn't mean that you already have the heart problem, na, but you're
possible.
high risk ka lang talaga. Kaya
possible.
maingat na sa food. Distended auricular veins.
Distended blood
Blood stasis, liver fire, and hypertension.
Purple auricular veins.
Purple, pink, blood stasis, chronic disease.
Spider veins.
Ito yun eh.
Heat,
Heat,
and blood
blood
stagnation.
stagnation.
Maraming ganyan, ha? A
Mm.
patient has visible distended auricular veins and hypertension.
Blood stasis.
Blood stasis, liver fire may be relevant. Huwag namumulatin yun.
Chronic pain and blood stasis.
Purple vein.
Purple veins,
Shiny auricle.
damp heat or inflammation,
Rough ear surface.
blood deficiency, chronic disease,
Wrinkled ear.
Aging.
aging and kidney essence deficiency,
Strongest combination of constitutional aging and kidney association.
Wrinkled ear.
wrinkled ear,
Huh?
wrinkled,
Yeah, wrinkled ear para constitutional age.
Wrinkle.
Changes at the ear apex.
High
high
fever.
fever, hypertension,
Or-
excess heat,
Helix.
helix,
Allergy.
allergy disorders, skin disease, and external pathogenic factors.
So, tingnan yung mga helix nyo.
Helix,
Ano pala yung helix ng isang may skin? Meron siyang vitiligo.
Oh.
A patient with visible changes along the helix, history of allergic skin disease. Because the helix represents
Allergic and skin-related condition.
scaphoid fossa.
upper lines.
Upper limbs.
Okay. Which findings should be examined in the scaphoid fossa?
Redness,
Tenderness.
tenderness, and pigmentation.
Anti-helix.
Spine,
Side.
Which combination is most appropriate when inspecting the anti-helix?
nodules,
Swelling.
swelling, color change,
Superior cruise of the antihelix.
Superior. Lower lines.
Ay, ganun na pala yun.
Limbs.
Lower line.
Limbs.
Mm-mm.
Names.
Limbs.
Names pa. Bahala.
Superior cruise of the antihelix.
Superior
Inferior
cruise.
cruise.
Di ba? Siyempre,
Pelvis.
pelvis.
Pelvis. Okay, which auricular structures the internal organ?
Concha.
Concha.
Okay. Sa concha, which group of systems could plausibly correspond to this region?
Heart, lungs, liver, spleen, stomach, intestines, and
Yes,
kidney.
mga concha.
Tragus.
Internal.
Tragus.
Tragus. Nose, throat, and the queen faction.
Antitragus.
Brain, cerebellum, and neurological.
Yes, faction.
Okay. Localized change in the antitragus.
Neurological.
Neurological faction.
Lobule,
Head,
Head,
feet,
face, eyes, and teeth.
which is incorrect.
Scapupoid fossa, pelvis.
Brown spots on the auricle.
Front part.
Chronic disease.
Um,
Our blood states.
let's see. This
White spots.
Chi deficient.
deficiency and chronic respiratory disorder.
Large spots.
Kidney.
Kidney deficiency, chronic illness.
Multiple brown auricular spots, long history of chronic disease.
Chronic disease, aging, blood state.
Purple ear, purple auricular veins, chronic pain.
Blood state.
Blood stains.
Bright red, hot and tender ear during acute febrile illness.
Acute heat.
Heat inflammation.
Dry, thin, wrinkled ear, thin earlobe.
A pattern involving yin and blood,
blood
kidney essence of deficient and aging.
Oily, shiny ear, yellow, sticky discharge.
Oily. Heat inflammatory process.
Nodule in the antihelix.
It may correlate with spinal dysfunction and should be integrated with the patient's other findings.
Highest level clinical principle of visual ear diagnosis.
Visual findings should be integrated with the core examination, compared bilaterally, and interpreted in clinical context.
Diyos ko, yung heart imbalance mo, masyadong. Thank you. Ganun pala yun, yung limbs nagiging lines.
Limes.